Hi loves, happy Sunday. Today I'm making lunch for my family and why I cook. Let's talk about something real. How I'm learning to balance my marriage, motherhood and still show up for myself. Yes, a few years into marriage and I've realized that this thing called marriage, nobody really gets it right all the time. Especially when you're a wife, an entrepreneur, an entrepreneur and a mom is a lot. It's a full-time job. It's no closing hour, I swear. Some days I just look at myself and I say, God, I beg. Who sent me this one? See, when will I be doing this? But the truth is, this is the life I signed up for. Love, family, plenty wahala, all inside one beautiful package. So lately, I have decided that every Sunday, no matter how tired I am, I'm going to make something special for my family. Not because I'm the perfect woman or any kind of thing, far from that, but because the joy these little things brings to the family. The smell of food. Just imagine the Sunday smell of food, the kids running around, and the music in the background. If you shouting here and there, obviously now we shout. Sunday is typically when everybody is around, and that's what makes the home sweeter. It's more like Sunday is a bonding time for the whole family. But let's be honest, this thing is called marriage and motherhood can swallow you if you're not careful. Honestly, you just wake up and one day you realize that you're forgetting yourself. So while we do the cooking and cleaning and caring for everybody, let's not forget ourselves. Play the music, sip the wine, do the makeup, gist with your friends and family, do that thing that makes you happy, enjoy your company. Before now, I didn't really do all those things, but since I started lately, I feel more like me. I feel more happy because when the woman is happy, the home is happy, and every woman deserves to be happy. Not like everybody is stopping us or stopping me from doing it, but sometimes we just get overwhelmed and lose ourselves in the process. So, my sisters, even when it's tough, you show up. We show up for the ones we love, we show up for the family. So, why not show up for yourself by not forgetting to take care of yourself, take care of you, do that thing that makes you happy? Try this, and I promise you, you will see how happy you will become.